Hi, this is Mark with Woodland Mills, and this is our unboxing video for the wall-mounted chainsaw holder, a simple but super useful way to keep your chainsaws and chains organized. Let's take a look inside the box. Included in the box is the main bracket assembly, which features a lock bar you can use for added security, and the components and the hardware to complete the assembly. Let's get it assembled. Now once assembled, you see we have a scrench bracket, a chain hanger with color-coded washers to separate sharp and dull chains, and the chainsaw mount rod. Chainsaws slide on easily and lock into place with everything mounted to the wall. You keep your workbench clear, your gear protected, and your chain swaps fast and efficient. It's a great addition to your workshop, shed, or garage, keeping your saws off the ground, your space tidy, and your tools always within reach when you're getting ready to head into the field. This has been Mark with Woodland Mills. Thanks again for watching, and if you have any questions, just give us a call or check us out online.